Welcome to the tutorial on how to navigate a camera's image sensor settings on a TVT recorder. These are camera settings that you can set from the camera or from the TVT recorder itself. Today, we'll be doing it on the recorder and implementing it on the cameras. So first things first, we go into our settings at the bottom left of the screen. We then click on camera, and then on image settings on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, you'll see you can change the brightness, contrast, saturation and more using the sliders. Select a camera. If we click on advanced, you'll see we have even more image options that we can edit, such as enabling HWDR depending on the camera's capabilities. Keep in mind that the type of camera will determine what settings you are able to access. In most cases we can control most of the settings, including flipping, as well as mirroring the image, for those installation requirements, when sometimes the picture is upside down and you can then easily flip it here, via the software itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated for more videos.